Hello guys and welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna make a Bopis recipe. A Bopis is a spicy Filipino dish made from minced pig lungs and heart. But this time we don't find any pig's lungs, so we're gonna use pig heart and just regular pork meat. To prepare, we need minced garlic, minced onion, minced carrots, and ahead we boil the pig lungs or the pig heart in the lemongrass and pandan leaves, and then we diluted the annatto seed in a cup of water. But you can also buy an annatto powder, it's much easier. And the pork meat, we boil it in the water and mince. We also need 1 small carrot, minced, bay leaves, 1 medium onion chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 to 4 pieces of bay leaves. To start, heat a frying pan and pour cooking oil. Sauté garlic, ginger, and onion. Once the garlic is brown, we can put in the minced pig heart or the pig lungs and then cook for 3 to 5 minutes while stirring once in a while. Pork heart. Add the dry bay leaves and simmer for 30 to 35 minutes until almost all the liquid evaporates.
Minutes.
Put in the minced carrots and stir and simmer for 3 minutes. Season with salt and ground black pepper, then stir. Pour in the vinegar and cook for 8 to 10 minutes more under medium heat. And for the optional ingredient, you can add the red bell pepper and the green onion. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes under medium heat. Turn off the heat and transfer to a serving plate. Now our bopis are ready. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. For more requested recipe, you can write down your comments and we will try to cook